Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Wix website to WordPress. The WordPress that we're going to work with today is wordpress.com, so you're going to pay attention to that. And as you can see, this is the dashboard of my Wix website. And I already have several websites created, but I'm going to create a new one just so that I can show you how you can create your own Wix website and then you can import it to WordPress. So when you first create the Wix website, they're going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. And you can obviously choose from the examples that are already appearing down there. You can see that there is online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, event, etc. Or if you don't find any of those website interesting, or you don't want that kind of website, you can just go ahead and type out the type of website you would want to create and type it out on the text box. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and click on blog. And once you click on one particular website, a drop-down menu are going to appear to make sure that you can choose even more specific website to create. But you can feel free to just use blog if you want. But today I'm just going to choose motivational blog. And we're going to wait until it's finished loading. And the next thing that they're going to ask you is what you would like to call your website. Obviously, you can put anything here or you can just skip it if you want, but I'm just going to try and insert the name of my website now. And after I insert the name of my website, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the continue button. Next, they're going to ask about the goals for your site, and you can choose whatever goals you feel are suitable. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on just explore. You can also choose, let's say, if your website is going to be an online store, you can choose the sell product, or you can also choose offer services, etc. Feel free to choose anything that you feel are the most relatable to your website. And you also have the option to choose an app to be added into your website. You can connect Instagram feed, forms, or blog for your website. And if you don't feel like adding any apps right now, you can just go ahead and skip it. Next, you're going to have the options to create your website from scratch. Or for me, I prefer to start with a template so that I don't really have to do much. I can just customize from the available templates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start with templates. And over here, Wix is going to give you a lot of templates that you can use. And because we've already inserted some informations before, it's going to give you the templates that are most suitable for the website, and for my case it's for the blog that I'm going to create. And after scrolling around, I decided that I want to use this one right here that says lovely little things, because I feel like it matches the vibe of the vlog that I want so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and click view just to see the preview of how the website is going to look like. And once I'm sure that I want to use that, I can go ahead and click edit this site. And then we're going to wait until the loading is over. Once your site is finished loading, you're going to see this let AI write your site content options. So what it does is that once you insert some details about your website, the AI tools of Wix are going to create some writings that are going to fill your website. So in this text box, you can go ahead and write some sentence about what your website is about, and then you can just click on generate site text, and it's going to generate some wordings for your website. Make sure to pay attention to the type of site as well as the name of the site, so that the AI generator are going to give you more accurate result. And right here, I have a change of mind. I ended up changing my website name from Sunshine Jewelry to Sunshine of Your Day. All right, obviously the next step you're going to do is to edit your website, but I'm just going to focus on how you can insert or you can convert your Wix website to WordPress. So I'm not going to do any changes at all. Let's just pretend that this website is all ready to be imported to WordPress. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to publish my Wix website. And as you can see, the domain is going to be the same with the first name that I've inserted, so there's nothing I can do about it unless I am subscribing to the Wix paid account. Since I'm using the free account, I'm just going to let it be like that for now. And once I've published my website, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to see my website. I'm going to click on View Site, and then I'm going to copy the link that appeared on the top bar right here. Once the link is copied, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to WordPress. And remember that I told you the WordPress we're going to use is wordpress.com. So once you're in wordpress.com, obviously you're going to create your own account. I already have my website here. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the menu on the left side of your screen, click on Tools, and then click on Import. Over here, you're going to see a selection of sources for you to import your website. You can import from Blogger, Medium, Wix, etc. And you can also click See All in order for you to see more options if you have more website that you would like to import to WordPress. But we're going to focus on Wix. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Wix website and then paste the URL that you've already copied before. Once you've done that, now we're going to wait because WordPress is going to try and scan the link that we've just pasted, whether it's right or not. And you should be able to see the preview of your website. If it doesn't appear, you can just go ahead and click on the URL that is written over there in case you would like to check whether the URL that you're pasting is the right URL or not. I usually would do that just for precaution so that I am sure the Wix website that I would like to import is actually the right one. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that they're going to insert your website as a static page. As you can see, my website right here doesn't really have a lot of animations on it, but if yours does have a lot of animations and you don't want it to be a static page, you can just go ahead and redo all of the process until WordPress doesn't read your URL as a static page anymore. But I'm fine with mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Start Import. And then we're going to wait until WordPress finishes importing our Wix website. Once it's done, we can finally see how our Wix website will look like once we import it to WordPress. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on the View Website button. Wait for the loading to finish, and this is how the site will look like. Obviously, we need to create some changes. Sometimes when we import the website, it's not going to look exactly the same with the Wix one. For example, the title for my WordPress actually following the WordPress website that I've already created, but we can just customize them. We can just change the wordings. We need to create some adjustment, but it's not a hard thing to do. Everything is totally customizable, so that is one thing that you're going to do after you import your website from Wix. One way for you to make some changes on your website is by simply clicking on Setting on the left side of your screen. And for now, I'm just going to change the title from Sunshine Jewelry because that was the original title of my WordPress. And I'm going to change it so that it's going to have the same name with my Wix, which is Sunshines of Your Day. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and save the settings. You can feel free to add some site tagline if you like, but I'm just going to skip that for now. And I'm going to see if the change that I've already created is already saved on my website. As you can see now, the title of my site has already changed from Sunshine Jewelry to Sunshine of Your Day. And that is it. That's how you can import your website from Wix to WordPress. Obviously, you would still have to make some changes even after you're importing your Wix website to WordPress, but Everything is pretty easy to adjust. And I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.